Picture this. You finally do the responsible thing. You start saving money. Every month you move a little bit into your savings account. $100 here, $200 there. You feel good about it. Responsible. Disciplined. Financially mature. But then one day you open your banking app and realize something strange. Your savings account has $10,000 sitting there, and it's earning something like 0.5% interest, which means after an entire year, you've made $50. Meanwhile, you keep hearing people talk about investing. Stocks, index funds, compound growth, and suddenly you start wondering, wait, am I doing this wrong? Because saving money is good, but saving alone rarely builds real wealth. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. They know saving is important, but they have no idea how to transition from saving to investing. So in this video, we're going to break down the exact step-by-step path to turn saving into investing without feeling overwhelmed or risking your financial security. My name is Jack. If you're someone who has money sitting in savings but isn't sure how to start investing it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with something that might sound controversial. Saving money alone will almost never make you wealthy. Look, saving is important, but it's not the final goal. It's just the first stage. Because here's the thing. Savings protect your money. Investments grow your money. And those are two very different jobs. Let's look at the math for a second. Imagine you save $10,000 in a typical savings account, earning 1% interest. After 1 year, you have $10,100. Not bad. But now let's compare that with investing. Historically, the S&P 500 stock market has returned about 10% per year on average over long periods. If that same $10,000 earned 10% annually, after 1 year you'd have $11,000. Now that difference might not seem huge at first, but here's